So here's how to create a blogger account for affiliate of Clickbank. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your blogger account. If you have already a one, then you will see this interface. But if you don't have an account, then the interface for you will be some quite different. Here you have to click on the create a new blog option. Then you have to enter the title of your blog and click on the next. Moving on, here you have to enter your blog URL or you have to select on your own. It will tell you if the requested URL for your site is available or not. If your selected URL is available, you have to click on the save button at the bottom. Now as you can see that our account has been successfully created. Now you can use this account for affiliate of the Clickbank. For this, just you have to post regular blogs on your niche. You can hire any content writer for the blogs writing services. However, if you are good at writing, you can write on your own. You can add your affiliate link on the text where you want. So that's how to create a blogger account for affiliate of Clickbank.